A beautiful good morning to my dear children. How are you all? Welcome back to Maths online class. Dear children, today we will start a new topic, that is whole numbers. Chapter 2, whole numbers. In this topic, we will discuss what are whole numbers, what are natural, and what is successor, what is predecessor, addition on number line, subtraction on number line, multiplication on number line. What are counting numbers? That are called natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers, denoted letter N. Numbers. What are that? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. The set of natural numbers expressed the N, letter N, form of letter N. So set of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. If we add any number of natural numbers, we have to get the next number. Okay, for suppose 1 is there now, when we add 1, we have to get 2. We add any natural numbers 1, we get the next number. We add any natural number, we get the next number, next natural number. So the next number of any natural number is successor. The next number of any natural number is called successor. 2 successor is 3, 3 successor is 4. When we subtract any number, that is called predecessor. The number just before number is predecessor. 2 predecessor is 1, 2 successor is 3. Okay, successor means add 1, add 1. Predecessor means subtract 1, subtract 1. Any natural numbers we have to get, so natural numbers, the collection of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. We include 0, the collection of natural number. Look here children, we include 0, the collection of natural numbers is called whole numbers. The collection of natural numbers, we include 0. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. We include 0, we have to get whole numbers. Today our topic is whole numbers. Today our topic is whole numbers. In that, how to represent whole numbers on number line. Look here children, all natural numbers are, all whole numbers are natural numbers, because in 0 only exists, remaining all same all natural numbers, no? So all whole numbers are natural numbers. Okay, but all natural numbers not whole numbers, because not the 0, no? That's why. How to represent a number line whole numbers? Look here children, this is number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This like we have to represent a number line whole numbers or natural numbers. In the between 0 to 1, 1 to 2 is 1 unit. In the between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, all is 1 unit. Now, what is the successor? What is the predecessor? I will explain. What is the successor and what is the predecessor? I will explain. Which is the smallest number in whole numbers? 0 is the smallest numbers. Okay, natural number starts from 1 onwards. Which is the smallest number in natural numbers? 1. Which is the smallest number in whole numbers? 0. Now, how to add in number line, how to subtract in number line, I will explain. Okay, addition and subtraction. For suppose, in this number line, starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For suppose, in each number having 1 unit, 1, 2 between 1 unit, 2, 3 between 1 unit, that like. Okay. Now, In for suppose 2 plus 3 is there, no? How to addition in number line? When we move toward, that is addition. When we move backward, that is subtraction. Is it clear? When we move towards, 2 plus 3 is there, no? 2 is there. Okay. So move forward 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 5. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. When we move forward, that is addition. Remember this, children. When we move forward, that is addition. So answer is 5. Okay. Answer is 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. How to represent subtraction on number line? For suppose minus 2. 5 minus 2. So 5. Subtraction means move backward. So 2 steps move backward. Minus 1, minus 1. So answer is 3. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. This like we have to subtract and addition using number line. Now we have to find out these numbers, predecessor and successor. Nana, everyone open your textbook 15, page number 15. Page number 15. This is natural numbers. These are natural numbers. Find out these natural numbers, predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor means minus 1. Successor means plus 1. So 13th predecessor. 13 minus 1 equal to 13 before number what? 12. When we subtract minus 1, we have to get the predecessor. So successor. 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1 equal to 14. This is the successor of 13. Okay. Next 237. 237 minus 1 equal to 236. Okay. 236. 236 is the predecessor of 237. Next number what is that? That is successor. 237 minus plus 1 equal to 238. This is the successor of 237. Okay, next 999. 999 minus 1 equal to 998. This is the predecessor. Now add 1, we have to get a successor equal to 1000. This is the successor of 999. Okay, right? Next 26. 26 minus 1 equal to 25. Before number, what is the before number? That is only predecessor. What is the next number? That is only successor. 26 plus 1 equal to 27. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. This like we have to find out successor and predecessor. Number 1. Number 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 is the predecessor of 1. Next 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 is the successor. This like we have to find out predecessor and successor. When we deduct, subtract minus 1, we have to get predecessor. When we add 1, we have to get successor. This like we have to find out successor and predecessor, Nana. Next, show these on number line. Everyone open your textbook page number 17. First one, show these on number line. Here, additions and subtractions both are there in these problems. First one, 5 plus 3. So, draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. Okay, first 5 plus 3 is there. This is addition because in between plus is there, no. So take 5, number 5. 5, this is a 5 plus 3. So move towards, move forward 3. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Okay, when we add 3, we have to get the total is 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, this like we have to add in number line. So therefore 5 plus 3 equal to what we get? 8. Is it clear? When we do addition on number line, move forward. When we are doing a subtraction in number line, move backward. Okay, move backward. Look here, second one. Draw number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First number what is there? 5 is there. Okay, take 5. Next, minus 3. Deduct, subtract minus 3. So, move 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. 5 minus 3, what we get here? 2. So, here we have to get 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. This like we have to subtract on number line. Hence, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Next, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. So, how to show this addition in number line? Draw number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. Draw these numbers in number line. After that, which is the first number? 3. So, take 3. 3. This is the 3. So, plus 5. Here addition. So, move towards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what we get here? 8. So, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, 5. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So, hence therefore, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Next, fourth one is 10 plus 1. Fourth one is 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 represent our number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on. So, here 10. Take 10, number 10. After, add 1. So, move forward 1. One time only. Because here 1 only, no? Successor. What is the answer? 11. So, answer is 11. 10 plus 1 equal to, therefore, 10 plus 1 equal to 11. This like we have to represent on number line addition and subtraction. Is it clear? Try this. Page number 17. First one. What number should be deducted from 8 to get 5? What number should be deducted from 8 to get 5? So, we have to draw a number line. Here deduction. Deduction means subtraction. Draw number line. So on. Draw number line. They are asking what number should be deducted from 8 to get 5. Okay? 8 to get 5. So, take 8. Deduction means subtraction. So, backward. 1, 2, 3. So, what number should be deducted? We have to get 5. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 3. So, 3 should be deducted from 8 to get 5. So, what answer is there? 3 should be deducted from 8 to get 5. 3 should be deducted from 8 to get 5. So, next answer is 3. Okay? Answer is 3. Next, what number should be deducted from 6 to get 1. Reduction, here also reduction. Draw number line. What number should be deducted from 6 to get 1? Okay, 6 to get 1. Take 6, number 6. How many numbers subtract we have to get 1? So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 5. When we subtract minus 5, we have to get 1. Okay? 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So, how to get 5 should be deducted from 6 to get 1. 5 should be deducted from 6. 5 should be 6 minus 1. We have to get 1 now. Okay. 8 minus 5. Here we have to get 3 now. 8 minus 5. We have to here move backward 3 steps. Here we have to get 5. So here move forward 5 steps. We have to get 1. Okay. What number should be added 6 to get 8? Here addition. Draw number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so on. Okay. Here what number should be added to 6 to get 8? What number should be added 6 to get 8? First you have to take 6. 6. So how many steps forward we have to get 8? 2 steps only, no? Plus 1, plus 1, because here addition. So move forward, which is the subtraction, deduction. We have to move backward. Here addition, no? So we have to move forward. 6 plus 2 we have to get 8. So 6 plus 2 we have to get 8. 2 should be added 6 to get 8. 2 should be added 6 to get 8. Okay. This like we have to find out additions and subtractions too. So everyone open your textbook. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Do this. Page number 16. Do this. Which is the smallest whole number? In whole numbers starts from 0, no? So which is the smallest whole number? Right here 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. Write your notebook. Do this and try. Think, discuss and write. Okay? Which is the smallest whole number? 0 is the smallest whole number. Next, are all natural numbers whole numbers? All natural numbers are whole numbers? Yes. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes. Yes. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Second one. Are all whole numbers natural numbers? Are all whole numbers natural numbers? No. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. No. Right here. No. Okay. Are all whole numbers natural numbers? No. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. All whole numbers are not natural numbers, because whole numbers in 0 is there, no? That's why. Since 0 not there in natural numbers, 0, no? That's okay. Write this in your notebook, Nana. Do this and think and discuss. Now everyone open page number 18. Exercise 2.1. True or false? Which of the statements are true and which of the false? Right here. There is a natural number that has no predecessor. There is a natural number that has no predecessor. What is that? True or false? Yes. Natural number 1 has no predecessor. This is true. Write here true. 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, whole number starts from 1 0 no. So this is also correct statement. Write here T. All whole numbers are natural numbers. All whole numbers are natural numbers. False. This is false. So write the statement. Which is the correct statement? Right there. Which is the false? All whole numbers except 0 are natural numbers. All whole numbers except 0 are natural numbers. Okay? A whole number that lies on the number line to the right side of another number is the greatest number. That is true. Yes. Next, fifth one. A whole number on the left and the number on the number line is greater. False. Because a whole number on the left of another number line is smaller. Left number is smaller. Right number is greater. Remember, Nana? Next, sixth one. We can't show the smallest whole number on the number line. We can't show the smallest number line on the number line. Number on the number line. False. 0 is the smallest number. We can show the number line. So, this is false statement. Okay, right here false. Next, we can show the greatest whole number on the number line. This is also false because which is the greatest number? Number unlimited numbers. We can't show the which is the greatest number. This is also false. How many whole numbers are there? How many whole numbers are there? Between 27 and 46. How many whole numbers are there between 27 and 46? Okay, here asking between how many whole numbers are there 27 and 46. So 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Now count it. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In between 27 and 46, 18 whole numbers are there. What is the answer? 18 whole numbers are there. There are 18 whole numbers in between 27 and 46. Next, third one. Find the following using number line. Find the following using number line. So, find the following using number line. Here, third one, find the following using number line. 6 plus 7 plus 7. 6 plus 7 plus 7. First one, draw number line. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, so on. 21, so on. And so on. Okay, so first 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. So move forward 7 steps from this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 steps. 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 7. So 6 plus 7 now 7. So what we get here? Plus 7. 6 plus 7 equal to 13. Next plus 7. Here onwards move forward 7 plus 7 equal to 21. 0 to 6, this is 6 plus 7 plus 7. What we get? Total number is 20. 6 plus, therefore 6 plus 7 equal to 20. 20. Okay, this like move forward. Look here children. 6. Move forward 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13. Next again move forward 6 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 20. Answer is 20. Next 18 minus 9. Take a number line. Here subtraction. Okay. Draw number lines neatly. Okay. Here number 18 is there. So number 18 is there. 0 to 18. 18 is there. So this is subtraction. Move backward. 0 to 18. 18 is there. Move backward. Move backward means move 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, move 9 steps from back. So what we get here? 9 minus 9. Therefore 18 minus 9 equal to 9. Next 5 into 3. Take number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, so on. 19, so on. So here multiplication. 5 3 times. Okay, 5 into 3 means 5 multiplied 3 times. So take 0 to 5 one time. This is one time. One time next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is second time. One time, second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is third time. Okay. 5 into 3. What we get here? 15. 5 into 3 equal to 15. Is it clear everybody? Look here children. 5 into 3. So 0 to 5 one time. Again move 5 steps forward. 5 3 times. 5 is multiplied by 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third time. 5 3s are 15. We have to get answer. 15. Answer is 15. Okay.
Fourth one, in each pair, state which whole number on the number line is the right of the other number. Look here children, here two pairs given. Each pair, which side on the number line, the right side number, right of the other number. 895 on the right side of the 239. 239 ki right side is in 239 right side. 239 after only no 895 will come. That's why 239 right side of 895 is the right side of 239. Okay. Here 10,001 right side of the 1001. Okay. Third one homework. Okay. 895 is right side of the 239. 10,001 is right side of the 1001.
Fifth one. Mark the smallest number line on the number line. Mark the smallest number on the number line. Smallest whole number. So this is number line 0, 1, 2, 3, Okay, so which is the smallest whole number? 0. Okay, which is the smallest natural number? 1. Okay, because starts from 1 onwards for natural numbers. Whole number starts from 0, no? That's why 0 is the smallest whole number. Next, sixth one. Choose the appropriate symbol from greater than or less than. First one, 8, 7. Which is the smaller number or which is the greater number? Appropriate symbol. So this is the correct symbol. 7 is less than from the 8. Second one, 5, 2. So which is the smaller number? 2. So this like we have to show this symbol. Third one, fourth one, homework. Seventh one, place the successor of 11 and predecessor of 5 on the number line. Place the successor of 7 and predecessor of 11 on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on. They are asking successor of and predecessor of two numbers. Place the successor of 11 and predecessor of 15. Successor of 11 means what is the next number? That is only successor, no? Successor of 11 is 12. So 12. Successor of 11 is 12. This is successor of 11. Predecessor of 5. 5 predecessor what? 5 predecessor 4. This like we have to show on this number line, which is the successor of 11 is 12. Successor of 11 is 12. Predecessor of 5 is 4. Okay, I will give notes. There you have to write. Thank you children. Meet you again next class. Everyone do your homework properly. You all.